Morning, welcome to my channel. My name is Sirimenchi, the BTC, and yeah, welcome to the jumper. I just want to do a short video to remind you guys the video I did in the morning on a MEV boat, and I used a particular token, the INU, the INU on Ethereum. I used it to do a sample, okay, and I actually comment some people that in that video I asked some of the guys if you have the money, you should buy this token. That I see potential in this token and it's doing well. As you can see right now, the token has actually done more than X3 from where I saw it. I did the video when the token was at 1.9 million market cap, and I told you guys that this token is likely to hit 10 million. That is doing well. As you can see right now, it has hit 8 million and it has retraced to 7.5. And let's hope and see before tomorrow morning and see if it's gonna get to 10 million. So I will also advise you to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and also follow me. You can hit me up in case you're interested to get to know some of these tokens that are gonna do well. The next token that are gonna do well. Just do well to hit me up if you wanna know much about it. I also teach people and I also host some classes for those who really are interested in learning the general cryptocurrency. Thank you. Enjoy your night. Enjoy yourself.